Y'all viral? I said, well, post me up, you goddamn twins. Don't be afraid to show how you feel. I ain't trying to play no games with you. I'm craving something real.
That's just what we do. You know, I mean, we wear straight jackets and we stay in, padded rooms.
Y'all, I'm at the airport on my way home to Jersey. Ooh, it's stinking here. Everybody is smiling at me. I don't know why. I'm gonna stand over here. Let me get myself together because I feel like I'm all over the place. And I can't bring this water in there. I'm about to drink it. Stay hydrated, bitches. Oh, my phone is so blurry. Ugh. I just got so much going on. So I just met this girl and she gave me some free lashes. She walked up to me. She was like, oh, hey girl, I see your favorite color is mauve. You know, trying to talk. And she gave me some lashes. She said she sell bundles, but these are the lashes that she gave me. They cute. Or whatever. Hey girl. It don't got no, she don't got no card or nothing, but yeah, like girls, y'all promote y'all shit. She worked for the checkpoint at she worked for the checkpoint for United. And she straight was like, today's your lucky day. Here's your lashes, girl. But all right, y'all, let me go because my camera doesn't look right. But I'm about to get on my flight. It got delayed. It was supposed to depart at 6:20, and then I got a message an hour later saying that it got delayed to 7 o'clock. So thank God because I was in traffic, and I thought I wasn't gonna make it, but I made it, and I'm here. So I see y'all when I see y'all. Hey y'all, I just got to the airport. I got me some Dunkin' Donuts. I got me a vanilla frosted donut, and I got the stuffed baked bites. The stuffed bagel bites. Them shits be rocking. Waiting for my ride to come. And I'm about to go over there and go to the bathroom. Nothing major going on. It was a good flight. Or whatever. But yeah, I'm not tired. I slept on the plane. But it was so uncomfortable. Y'all know how I don't like my plane rides with no TVs. And I didn't have no charger, so my phone was dead. And I had to come back and charge it. But yeah, I made it. I'm about to call my mama and my nephew. I just got off the phone with them. He acting mean to me. Y'all, today is Halloween and we are running behind schedule per usual. And I am over here doing my mask. Me and Kenyah mask right here. So basically, we're just gonna bedazzle it. So me and my cousins, I look at my show, I don't give a fuck. Me and my cousins are being bank robbers for Halloween. So we just doing a little something and keeping it cute. So I got these jewels. Oh my God! They all fell. Let me show y'all the jewels. So I got these jewels right here, and then basically we're gonna bedazzle the mask. And I had bought these off of Amazon, and I'm gonna put all this on our Amazon store. So if y'all ever want to make a mask or bedazzle or whatever, y'all know. So I got these. We bought the mask from Amazon. We also bought the jewels from Amazon, and we bought these butterflies. And you basically iron them on or whatever. I'm gonna put this right here. I don't like these stars. If I had time, I would really like... Oh, they got baby hearts. I really want all the hearts, honestly. I could do like this. Like at the bottom. These shits don't seem like they sticking. Y'all, so I just got out the shower. And I did my hair. Almost forgot about y'all in the vlog. So I had got these rings from Amazon. And my go-to was for it to be orange, but it's not giving orange. But these are really cute. I got it from Amazon today. I didn't get the same one she got because you know I can't be a biter. I just got similar ones. I can't even fit these. But they mad cute. Like if I was able to fit this one, I'll wear that. And then they got this other orange one. So basically my mask done. Let me show y'all what it look like. So this is how it came out.
Yeah, that's yours.
And it look cute on, but I'm not gonna put it on right now. Ugh. I got this one. It's like a strawberry. So it's like, I don't know, I'm gonna do whatever. Because these is not gonna work. Anything that could pass for orange, put it on. Ugh. This one is cute. This one gonna be tight though. Ugh. I'm gonna move this one and put this one right here. I'll put this one. Ooh, this one's too tight. Fuck. Just put that one like that. Put that one like that. And then there's a couple of these I could put on. This one's suffocating my finger. I don't know, I'll figure it out. And then I'm gonna put these on. So basically my whole outfit changed because we had ordered, what we were supposed to wear was like a two-piece set. Like the bottoms was orange, the top was orange. And then we was gonna wear like a clear skirt. And then here go the boots that we supposed to be putting on. These just is fire. Everything, we're gonna put the link below. Everything is from Amazon. So everything I got on is from Amazon. But yeah, we had to switch up the outfit at the last minute. Let me see. I like this one. I might take this strawberry one off. Ugh. These chunky things. Let me see. I think I do. No. You're not. It's in this hole somewhere. So this is how it looks. I see. Let's see. This stuff.
Is take it. Flip it up. I'm gonna flip it on this side. You gonna flip it. When I count to 3, we gotta walk backwards with them. All right.
I got you. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. When I count to 3, but throw it up. So
6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1,
2, 3.
Okay.
Speed walk. Y'all gotta tell us what type of walk y'all go. Y'all gotta tell them what type.
They ain't even ready. Come on.
Now y'all cold?
No, point that out.
I need another one to throw at the top left. Hey, sorry.
Hold on, we're not ready. 5, 4, 3, 2,
officials of rank and 10 have been granted immunity from the purge and shall not be harmed. Commencing at the siren, any and all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours. Police, fire, and emergency medical services will be unavailable until tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. when the purge concludes. Blessed be our new founding fathers and America, a nation reborn. May God be with you all.
Usually, I don't like nobody. And when I say nobody, I mean nobody. Cause all these women full of shit. I'm just the only ones they hit. I felt like giving up on love. These bitches almost made me quit. But when I met you, since I met you, I knew this was it. I've never been in love like this.
You can do it good.
Y'all viral, right?
Yeah.
Y'all viral? I said, well, post me up, you goddamn twins. Don't be afraid to show how you feel. I ain't trying to play no games with you. I'm craving something real. Like when you hold me, yeah. Like when you kiss me, tell me you miss me, yeah. You gotta love me, yeah. No turning back with no one above me, yeah. Couple late nights turn a weekday, day go by, next thing gets the weekend. Type of shit I'm lost in your love by the way that you touch every time that we freaking. And you know, baby, I've been through some shit, yeah. But baby, I had nothing like this. Goddamn twins.
I'm sick of you. You trying to violate me at my grandma's house? You look like my grandma's mouth.
After that last bar, I said I was gonna leave your wig alone because you were cute. But after you just said that bullshit, I'm gonna tell you the best advice I can give you is get a doobie.
You try to violate me, and I try to give you the benefit of the doubt. You look like a motherfucking broccoli sprout. Niggas burnt you in a pot. You look real motherfucking hot. I'm sick of you. You like somebody tried to squeeze you out the motherfucking top.
You know what? I'm an emotional bitch. And you really just said some vicious things. I'm not about to argue with nobody that's built like a boneless chicken wing.
Just cause you're bone in, don't
shit,
mean you
just
want
'cause
to
my
win.
bone. Like what? You fucking win. Like just cause my bone. Just cause your bone in. Like I doing. Hey yo. You look like a 9. And she look like a 10. Hey yo. Hey yo.
I get sprayed. I get sprayed. I get sprayed. I get sprayed.